modern man in a lot of ways has arranged his life around either avoiding pain, managing pain, or escaping it altogether.
The Pilgrimage for Restoration is a 65-mile, 3-day pilgrimage, and it begins at the Lake of the Blessed Sacrament and ends in Auriesville at the shrine of the North American Martyrs, where they were killed.
You pull yourself out of bed, you have to rip apart the tents, put them away, your fingers are freezing, and it's raining out.
After, 10 miles of just walking, you're using the same muscles. You're impacting the same bone.
Have shin splints, sprained ankles, blisters the size of half of their feet.
And then as the weekend goes on, you just become sore.
They're walking more in 3 days than most of us walk in 6 months.
All the while you're walking, just praying and singing and remembering your intentions.
Doing this, you're showing that how much you love God by putting in sacrifices, these sacrifices in.
Going up the hills, we sang our way up and prayed our way up.
God, lend me your strength. I can't get up this hill,
When you're suffering, you have to counter the pain with joy, and we do that by singing.
Walking up the final hill was just absolutely glorious.
When you make it up the final hill to the shrine, there's a sense of triumph and overwhelming awe when you stand where the North American Martyrs once stood.
I think it's good for us to walk with one another. It's good for us to sing with one another. And it's good for us to pray with one another.
We're learning to pray in the midst of a struggle on the pilgrimage, and so it's something obviously we carry over into life. It lets you recover a little discipline, so just making yourself walk 60 miles.
A better appreciation of the martyrs after walking all that way.
Auriesville pilgrimage was, I think, for everyone, an experience of penance, prayer, and singing to God for the sake of restoration.